What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 7 best sewing machine of 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Link the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. We'll kick off toadies. Number 7. Varmax Mini Sewing Machine. The Varmax Mini Sewing Machine is a miniature sewing machine that is not nearly as fully featured as most full-size sewing machines. There are many similar versions of this miniature sewing machine on Amazon and Walmart, and the one I own is pictured above. Now, for an occasional user looking for a budget sewing machine for small sewing projects, a mini machine may do the trick. However, it only comes with a straight stitch, so you must tie off thread ends to prevent unraveling or reverse the handwheel manually to lock stitches. It is also a little difficult to set up because of poor instructions, but YouTube videos can fix that. I also have a tutorial about how to thread a miniature sewing machine and how to use a mini sewing machine. As a plus, though, it does have a built-in lamp and thread cutter on the side. Also, unlike modern sewing machines, the Varmax Mini and similar machines allow you to sew with battery power. One nice feature of a miniature sewing machine is sewing can be started with the included foot pedal or an on-off button. This easy-to-use machine is an okay sewing machine for kids and is good at sewing small cylindrical items such as kids' pants, legs and all clothes. This is also a good option for beginner sewists who aren't looking for anything fancy and see sewing as a way to perform only basic tasks like hemming and making uncomplicated alterations. However, if you think you'll ever want to sew more complicated projects, consider purchasing a sewing machine with at least a zigzag stitch. Number 6. Magicfly Mini Portable Sewing Machine. This portable sewing machine doesn't rank highly on my list of inexpensive sewing machines based on quality. But, at such a low price and with its features, it is one of the better deals. A miniature sewing machine, it offers a surprising number of full-size sewing machine features, such as reverse stitching and a built-in light. Yet, it's still lightweight and takes up very little space. It features 12 stitches, including an overlocking stitch and buttonhole stitch. This is huge for a miniature sewing machine for beginners. While it doesn't come with a large variety of presser feet, the foot can be removed and replaced with any additional foot you purchase separately. Like most small, portable, and easy-to-use sewing machines, you can use batteries or the included power adapter. This is a helpful feature if you're on the go in an area without electricity. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4411 Sewing Machine. While this is not an inexpensive sewing machine in comparison, it is the cheapest heavy-duty sewing machine you'll find. While some of the above brother sewing machines will sew thick fabrics occasionally, if you want to stitch leather, canvas, or denim frequently, you'll be better served by a heavy-duty sewing machine. Heavy-duty sewing machines have a sturdier metal frame and a stronger motor than regular machines. Additionally, the maximum sewing speed is usually faster than a standard sewing machine. Just because a sewing machine is geared towards thick fabrics, though, doesn't mean it won't perform well on thin fabrics, too. Thanks to adjustable presser foot pressure, pretty much any fabric is fair game for this Singer 4411. Thus, it can function as your everyday sewing machine if you want. The Singer 4411 sewing machine includes 11 stitches, 6 basic stitches, 4 decorative stitches, and 1 buttonhole stitch, and 3 needle positions. There are also 4 basic presser feet included, allowing you to accomplish various tasks. Overall, the Singer 4411 Heavy Duty is a true workhorse. It's inexpensive for a heavy-duty sewing machine and stitches with incredible precision. Number 4. Brother XM1010 Portable Sewing Machine. While this sewing machine is inexpensive, I don't recommend it to many people. If you read my full Brother XM1010 review, I've outlined its shortcomings in much greater detail. I've also explained why I feel the Brother GX37 sewing machine, see above, is a better pick for most beginner sewing enthusiasts. That being said, the Brother XM1010 sewing machine has only 10 stitches and includes 4 basic feet. It has no fancy bells and whistles or decorative stitches like the Brother GX37. But, if you're looking for a very basic sewing machine, just know Brother produces great, reliable sewing machines. This one is no exception, and I have no doubt it will perform well for you. Number 3. Singer Tradition 2277 Sewing Machine. The Singer Tradition 2277 sewing machine is easy to use, easy to set up, and includes a bit more than the Singer 1304 above. It's one of my top Singer sewing machines for kids because it's so feature-rich and straightforward to use, considering how much it offers. Things that set this machine apart from the more inexpensive Singer 1304 are the inclusion of adjustable stitch length and width, an automatic needle threader, and a one-step automatic buttonhole. These are convenient features if you want to sew frequently and do more than just mending or basic alterations. 23 built-in stitches and 4 presser feet are included, which is not as impressive as what comes with the Brother CS5055, but still not too bad at all. Undoubtedly, it's a better sewing machine than the Singer 1304, but it's up to you to decide if you want or even need this much, given the extra cost. Also, there's an updated version now, the Singer M3300, if you prefer to have the latest and greatest. Also very similar is the Singer Simple Sewing Machine 3232 model. Number 2. Singer M2100 Sewing Machine. The Singer Start 1304 is an inexpensive and basic Singer sewing machine. It's not as fully featured as the Brother GX37, but it's very affordable and is a great machine for Singer loyalists. The Singer 1304 has several newer models, like the Singer M2100, M1500, and MX60, which are sometimes less expensive. They are identical in features, but have a sleeker look to them. One of the best cheap sewing machines for beginners and kids, the Singer Start 1304 boasts simplicity. It features 6 built-in stitches with a preset stitch length and width. It also comes with 3 standard sewing feet. That's everything you need when first learning to sew. Its lack of options is what makes it so appealing to many users. There's nothing complicated about it. With no added bells and whistles, it's a great sewing machine to begin on. Once you know sewing will be your thing, you can then move up to a more featured mechanical sewing machine or even a computerized sewing machine. Number 1. Brother GX37 Sewing Machine. The Brother GX37 is a great sewing machine for beginners and is easy to use. Even though it might be a little more expensive than some of the other machines I'll review shortly, here's why I think it's worth the money. First, it features 37 built-in stitches and has an automatic one-step buttonhole stitch. An automatic one-step buttonhole is an incredible feature on a beginner sewing machine. Most budget sewing machines include a 4-step manual buttonhole, meaning you must create the buttonhole yourself in 4 stages. This method carries a much steeper learning curve and is more time-consuming than having the machine create the buttonhole, with almost no input from you. Stitch length and width are adjusted on the top of the sewing machine with dials. This means you get 37 built-in stitches, which each then can vary in stitch length or width. 6 included presser feet will allow you to do more complicated sewing tasks like sewing a narrow hem or even an invisible hem. The Brother GX37 comes with an automatic needle threader. Be careful with this feature, though. It can break easily if you're too aggressive. The Brother GX37 sewing machine also features a quick-set top drop-in bobbin that's jam-resistant. What quick-set means is, once you place the bobbin in its case, there is no need to draw up the bobbin thread manually. This makes setup one step less. Also, a clear case lets you keep an eye on the thread level so you don't run out of bobbin thread in the middle of a project. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.